Resolute Mark Golding told the young people of Westmoreland it's time to make the change from the JLP to the PNP for their own future. This as he insists the governing party is anticipating a reality where they'll secure a third term, but remarked to the counter.
This government hasn't built one critical institution in 10 years, much less one school. They don't understand development, and they don't deserve another term. And for some of them, I'm sure, the only third term will be a prison term.
The tempo rose continuously thereafter as he encouraged his youth voters not to fall prey to the tactics of those seeking to have them change course.
You're going to be facing all kind of tactics. They're going to try to buy you out, or they're going to try and intimidate. But we are not for sale, comrades. And we are strong, and we are resolute, and we are determined to make this country better and to make life better for ourselves. And that's why I'm asking you, please, to make sure that you take the message out there in the highways and byways. Make sure that all who are in doubt understand why it's important to come and vote in this election and make their voice be heard through their X.
And he would not rest until he had his fill of why the youngsters ought to stand firmly behind the PNP, despite some early polls showing the youth were leaning more to the JLP.
We have an election coming round the corner, and it's a very important election for Jamaica. You can either stay with what you've had for 10 years, the deception, the lies, the ripping off, the stagnant economy, the hopes that are being dashed, or you can move to a government that is going to put the people very much in the center of our thinking, and that is going to tackle the real issues facing the people and holding the people back, and it's going to take Jamaica to the next level, economically and socially. Remember the People's National Party's track record in building institutions to uplift the people of Jamaica, from the National Housing Trust to the National Health Fund to the Drug for the Elderly program.
Nika Lewis, CVM News.